Polo Custom Products has been helping clients design, manufacture, and deliver quality custom products to market quickly and efficiently. With the expertise to coordinate all aspects of your project from start to finish, Polo Custom Products is your total source for innovative design and global manufacturing. We specialize in custom industrial sewing, radio frequency welding, and thermoforming of flexible fabrics, foams, and film. As a leader in the industry, we offer manufacturing facilities in the U.S. and partner affiliates in China, Vietnam, and Thailand. Perhaps most important at Polo, we are proud that our manufacturing advantage helps customers save development costs, improve ROI, and increase profitability. While our clients represent a variety of industries, examples of our partners include original equipment manufacturers in the medical, safety, industrial, and military markets, for whom we manufacture products such as escape hoods, carrying cases, holsters, equipment pouches, harness and strap assemblies, medical waste collection bags, and more. To help develop creative solutions for your unique needs, our highly skilled in-house design and engineering team will work closely with you through the concept, material selection, prototyping, and manufacturing stages.
At Polo Custom Products, we are dedicated to producing the highest quality sewn and sealed products to our customers' exact specifications. The quality department is extremely involved from when the idea is introduced to the Product Development Center through the entire production part approval process and all the way to final production, ensuring all customers' requirements are met.
Our engineers design for manufacturers so your product easily transitions into a full-scale production with continued emphasis on quality. We employ an entire quality assurance department with dedicated inspection personnel and specialized equipment at our domestic and overseas locations to ensure your product functions as required in the field. We set up our inspection and test procedures in accordance with the way your product will be tested and used. Polo also offers customized fulfillment and stock programs tailored to fit your needs, with over 77,000 square feet of warehouse storage space. Polo offers a variety of inventory management programs to give you added flexibility on delivery schedules. We understand that your product is unique, yet there is a good chance that Polo has designed and manufactured applications in the past that share features or materials similar to your design. Our vast knowledge and experience offers you a clear advantage, saving time and money. At Polo Custom Products, we're here to help you exceed your custom product manufacturing needs on time and on budget. Learn more at polocustomproducts.com.